Okay, Tommy. So we've got your cables out, and go ahead and do the good one first.
This is throttle.
Throttle cable. It just moves in and out nice and smooth. That's how it should be. But if we replace one, we're replacing them both. This is your shifter cable, and it's got a catch right there in the middle. You'll see that when if you move it slower, it's real hard, and then it frees up, and the other way it's real hard, and then it frees up. So that cable right there is bad. There's something really
It was fixing to break the sleeve.
yeah, it was so hard it was about ready to break the sleeve, and then that allows it to have some play.
See, it's not there.
Yeah. And also contributing to that is this is what your behind your drive looks like. This piece right here is what the inner shift cable moves, and it's slightly tight, and it's had some, I don't know what's going on with it, but it looks pretty yucky. But it has this right here, whoever put it in, this screws in to take the play out of this mechanism, and it may not seem like much, but there's a little play in there. There's just a little play in there. And then, and it just moves rough. This right here is what goes in that slot. And when it goes in that slot, it turns this at the bottom, which makes the drive shift. And it is tight. I mean, it should just flop back and forth. It's just going through here and it's going through there. It should just flop back and forth because of all of this, whatever this white stuff is all over everything, is causing that to really take some pressure to make it shift. So between this being tight, this having some play, the white stuff being in there, the cable being bad, I don't think it's a control box. Control box smooth as it can be. It's just everything attached to the control box. And there wasn't any oil in there, so we're really good with that. So we got to figure out what's going on. I think I misspoke on that. But that's good. There's no oil in there. But the rest of this, that shouldn't be that tight, and that's your inner shift cable, the outside end of it. So just where we are.